LightsCo by SemiDelino presents its services, 3 different professional paths designed to specifically respond to the multiple needs of hair. Hair layering to address different needs simultaneously, essential for specific needs, and daily for everyday care. Hair layering services use a technique inspired by skincare to treat each area of the hair by layering specific products. Method of application. Evaluate the condition of the lengths and ends with the combability and elasticity tests. Comb a section of washed and towel-dried hair. If it takes 3 to 6 attempts, the hair is dry. More than 7 attempts, it is very dry. Continuing to work on shampooed and towel-dried hair, take a few hairs from the crown area between the thumb and index finger of both hands. Gently pull. If the hairs stretch more than half their length and do not return to their original shape, the cortex is damaged. If they tend to break, the cortex is highly damaged. If necessary, repeat the tests in other areas as well. Detangle the hair before washing to optimize the effects of any treatment on the hair fiber. Assess the condition of the first 2 to 3 centimeters of the hair. Select Glow Shampoo, illuminating for normal hair. Nourish Shampoo, nourishing for dry hair. Rescue Shampoo, repairing for damaged hair. Define the hair's primary and secondary needs. For the first layer, apply the most suitable serum to treat the primary need. Essential Shine Serum for dull hair, Essential Nourish Serum for dry hair, or Essential Bonding Serum for damaged hair. Apply to lengths and ends in neat sections using a comb and the precision dispenser. Comb through with a wide-tooth comb for even distribution. The second layer treats the secondary need using the most suitable mask or conditioner, Glow Dual Conditioner or Mask, to add luminosity to dull hair, Nourish Dual Conditioner or Mask to nourish dry hair, or Bond Rescue Mask to repair damaged hair. Use a brush to apply the selected product to each section without rinsing the vial. Then comb through with a wide-tooth comb for even distribution. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. Conclude the treatment by choosing the most suitable leave-in to enhance the visible benefits. Glow Dual Conditioner or Shine Drops for luminous hair. Nourish Dual Conditioner to provide extra softness. Bond Protection Cream for stronger, more resilient hair. Nutri-Lux Oil for frizz protection. They can be combined to personalize the treatment. The Essential Service, intensive treatment based on high-performance functional serums designed to meet a specific need, shine, nourishment, or repair. Cleanse, using the same protocol as for the layering service. Apply the most suitable serum according to the hair type. Essential Shine Serum for dull hair, Essential Nourish Serum for dry hair, or Essential Bonding Serum for damaged hair. Leave on for 5 minutes and rinse. Conclude the treatment as in the layering service, choosing the most suitable leave-in to enhance the visible benefits. The Daily Service, professional treatment to provide complete daily support for the hair. Also perfect for maintaining the results achieved in the salon. Shampoo. Cleanse the hair following the same protocol as for the layering service. Apply the most suitable mask or conditioner. Glow Dual Conditioner or Mask to add shine to dull hair. Nourish Dual Conditioner or Mask to nourish dry hair. Or Bond Rescue Mask to repair and strengthen damaged hair. Conclude the treatment in the same way as the layering service by choosing the most suitable leave-in to enhance the visible benefits of the treatment.